Welcome to Trains Around Scotland for March 2022. Wasting no time, let's get right into the action. So first it's off to Paisley Gilmour Street on the 3rd of March. To first see OZ67, the 1402, Carlisle to Motherwell TMD route learner with 66302. Then it's to Falkland on the same day, where 66779 and 747 were sitting in the Falkland sidings with the high-speed milling machine. We will see this consist moving later on in the video. But in the meantime, this was OM74, the 1516 Tyne Coal Terminal to Irvine Caledonian paper with 66776. Then it's to the 6th of March, where 66779 and 747 with work 6X69, the 1002 Abington to Falkland SS, seen here just outside of Howwood. Then it's off to the Highlands, and this is just outside of Tyndrum Upper on the Fort William and Millerhill branch, where first we see 6 Echo 45, the 1110 Fort William to North Blyth Alcan tanks with 66733. Then this was 1Z40, the 1155 Fort William to Stevenage Statesman with 47614 and 593. Then finally on this day was 1Z82, the 1510 Arisaig to Alnmouth LSL private charter with 37521 leading 667. Then it's to Inverness on the 15th for first 6S31, the early 1132 turn up at 1109, Doncaster up Decoy to Millerhill SS Engineers train with 7805 and a rake of auto ballisters. Then rushing round the corner literally seconds later was 1Z76, the Perth to York Private Northern Bell with 57316 and on the rear 47815. Then finally was 4 Echo 96, the delayed 1039 turn up at 1127, Mossend Euro Terminal to Tees Docks with 66142. Then it's to the 17th. This is Johnson for the monthly PLPR working. This month's pairing weighing 37116 and 099 on 1Q75, the 1826 Mossend to Mossend circuit. Then it's up the Highland main line on the 19. This is just outside of Dalmaspidal for 1Z37, the 1103 Linlithgow to Aviemore Speyside, with 37685 leading 403 up to the Strathspey Railway for their diesel gala. Then this is Murtley later on in the day. What was supposed to be for the PLPR, but for the second time in a row, the Highland PLPR would be cancelled due to the staff testing positive for COVID. However, in the meantime, this would be a 1B31 Inverness to Edinburgh Waverley with 43s 168 and 125. Then this is Paisley on the 22nd for the 318 refurbishment drags, and it was under 5Q07 the 1029 Kilmarnock Boddington Depot to Shields TMD with 37884 dragging 318257. Then it's to the Howard Field for the return, and it would be 5Q08, the early 1356 turn up at 1252, Shields TMD to Kilmarnock Boddington Depot with 37884 dragging 318264 to get refurbished. Then this is Prestwick Oil sidings on the 24th. .56049 gets started up and does all its shunt moves ready to work 6N47, the 1656 Prestwick BP Oil to Grangemouth. And then with Prestwick Oil sidings having no signal to guard it, he would have to get permission from the signaller to come out onto the main line, and this is him just having done that, and departed on time at 1656. Then finally it's to Cartland on the 26th, where first was 1Z80, the 1251 Slough to Inverness Lord of the Isles Blue Pullman, with 43s 046 and 055. Then with epic Ruslet bowlage moment, this was 4M30, the 1308 Grangemouth to Daventry 66137. Then was 4S43, the 1325 Daventry to Mossend Tesco Express with 88009. Then after this clip was filmed, I would catch COVID-19 the day after, so this is the last clip of the video, and it would be 4S10, the early 1557 to about 1448, Tilbury to Mossend boxes. This float originates from Spain and travels across the Channel Tunnel, and then is operated with 88002 to Mossend.